Hello to my day ones. I hope you guys are having an amazing day today. So today we will just be making some super easy sugar cookies. So go ahead and preheat your ovens to 350. And then you'll take a 1/3 cup of granulated sugar. You'll also need 4 tablespoons of melted butter. I normally use sticks of butter, but this is actually some country crock butter. I also used 1 egg yolk. And then I also used a 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Now I did measure this, and I usually don't measure my vanilla extract because I don't feel like I can ever have too much of it because I love vanilla flavor and vanilla scent. So now once you have all of those ingredients in the bowl, you'll just mix everything together until you get this brownish color. So once you've got all of that combined and you have a smooth texture, you will take your 1/2 cup plus 2 tablespoons of flour, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and you'll mix that together. And then you'll just add this to your liquid mixture, and I add this a little at a time just so I won't have a big clumpy mess, and it's easier to get the ingredients fully incorporated when you do it in increments like this. So once you begin to get your flour fully incorporated into your cookie dough mixture, you will begin to see a light tan color, sort of the color of a creamy peanut butter. Now this cookie dough is also a tad bit softer than like your traditional chocolate chip cookie dough would be, but it will still come out a nice chewy and soft sugar cookie. Once you've got that mixed up, you'll just take some parchment paper and line a cookie sheet with it, and then you'll spray that parchment paper with some cooking spray just to make sure that the cookies don't stick. So you just want to take an ice cream scoop or a spoon, whatever works best for you. And I did try to roll the cookies in the brown sugar and granulated sugar mixture that I made, but it was not working out, as you can see. Not working out for me at all. I took my ice cream scoop and I just scooped the cookie dough onto my cookie sheet, and then I sprinkled the brown sugar and granulated sugar mixture on top of that. So this worked out a little better for me since this dough is a little softer than the traditional cookie dough is. Now my cookies were not in perfect circles, but that does not matter to me because they were still delicious. This cookie dough recipe will make 6 cookies. However, I only got 5 cookies out of mine, but that does also depend on the size of the cookies that you're making and the size of the scoops that you're getting. And one of my cookies was bigger than the others, so I only got 5, but that's fine with me because it's only 2 of us, so it worked out perfectly anyways. You just want to place those cookies in the oven on the bottom rack. Make sure that they're on the bottom rack because you don't want them to cook too fast on the top. I cooked these cookies for 10 minutes at first, but I checked them at the 10-minute mark and I thought that they could be a little browner, so I left them in the oven for an additional 2 minutes. So in all, I cooked these for 12 minutes. You can allow these cookies to rest for 5 minutes and then they'll be ready for you to move over to a baking rack if you have one. But if you don't have one, that's fine. You can just let these cookies rest on the cookie sheet for about 10 to 15 minutes and then they're ready to eat. So there you have it, some delicious, soft, chewy sugar cookies, and they were super simple and easy to make. So if you like this recipe, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and have a great day.